2018 Volkswagen Atlas SEL. Remainder of factory warranty, good tires, good brakes, rear backup camera, Sirius XM, USB port, leather, front fog lights, 8-speaker stereo system, 8 service records, third row seating, heated front seats, rear window defroster, rear air conditioning, remote keyless entry, memory power driver's seat, alloy wheels, front fog lights, panic alarm, security system, spoiler, illuminated entry, outside temperature display, power windows, sun blinds, tachometer, telescoping steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, trip computer. Recent arrival. Clean Carfax. Carfax One Owner. Your safety is our top priority. We are constantly sanitizing our offices, showroom, etc. Our delivery drivers will sanitize the vehicle before taking it to you. Drivers will wear a mask and gloves and will re-sanitize the vehicle before exiting. Any remaining paperwork will be carefully handled and delivered to the customer for completion, all while maintaining a safe social distance of at least 6 feet. If you require additional safeguards, please reach out to our team. Contact us at in-store at 770-729-4827 or online at www.heritagevolkswagen.com and see how easy it is to buy a vehicle at Heritage Volkswagen.